Exciting work from home job opportunity at Cognizant. Hey job seekers, are you looking for a work from home opportunity with night shifts at a top multinational company? Cognizant is hiring process executives, HC with 0 to 2 years of experience. Job role: Process executive, HC. Shift: Night shifts, work from home. Experience required: 0 to 2 years, freshers can apply. Skills required: MS Excel mandatory plus healthcare domain provider and payer. Language proficiency in English, read, write, speak. The certification in MS Excel is a plus. See roles and responsibilities. Light data entry and analysis using MS Excel. NIDE, work with healthcare provider and payer tasks. Maintain accuracy and security of patient data. D, collaborate with the team to improve processes. SIT, monitor and report key performance indicators, KPIs. SID, participate in training to stay updated on industry trends. Why join Cognizant? Work with a global leader in IT and business consulting. Opportunity to grow your career in the healthcare domain. Be a part of a supportive and innovative work environment. Get exposure to global projects and clients. How to easily crack this job? 1. Master MS Excel. Focus on VLOOKUP, pivot tables, data validation, and conditional formatting. 2. Learn healthcare basics. Understand the roles of provider and payer in medical claims. 3. Improve English skills. Since this is a global company, good communication skills will set you apart. 4. Be ready for night shifts. Adapt to the timing and show flexibility. 5. Show proactiveness. Demonstrate problem solving skills during the interview. 6. Highlight your skills and certifications. Having a certification in MS Excel will be an added advantage. This is a fantastic opportunity to start your career with a leading MNC. If you're interested, apply now and drop a comment if you have any questions. For daily job updates, follow at Ultimate Job Alert.